Good morning students. This is our conversation class. In conversation what we are doing? We are doing chapter where is my school bag? We are doing the chapter where is my school bag? Okay? In your tune in book page number 68 we have done what? How Rima is explaining the use of direction and how she go to school. How I have told you, again I am repeating. Rima first say she go to school by riding cycle. Okay, from her home gate she goes straight to the junction, and there she turned left side there is a medical shop. Okay, she turn left and she go again straight, and there comes a hospital. From that hospital she again turn to right. Then go, and then within few minutes her school comes. Okay, within few minutes her school comes. Learn how she is saying that how she go to school. Okay, next is, this is the matching. Ajit is new and he is asking Arpita where are the places. The office is near the playground. Ajit is where is the office? Arpita is saying office is near the playground. For this you have to listen the track. Next, the canteen is near the. Now Ajit is asking where is the canteen? He is saying the canteen is near the sick room. Okay, near the sick room. Next, the toilet is next to the dance class. He is asking where is the toilet? Then she is saying the toilet is next to the dance class. Then next, the library is opposite the teacher's room. He is asking where is the library? Then Arpita is saying the library is opposite the teacher's room. Okay, go through it, marked it. Next come with how you will speak about the thing if somebody asks you, came in your school new, where is the library and dance room, because canteen and bookshop is not there in your or school. So we will say only about these two things, where is the library and where is the dance room. So that you can use this, it is next to the, it is opposite, it is near to the. First listen the question. The girl is asking to the boy, where is the dance room? The boy is saying it is next to the library. Next means side, this side or this side. So if you know that the room is beside that, then you can say it is next to the library. Okay, understand? Or anything else. Or if it is near to the, suppose somebody is asking where is the toilet, it is near to the class 4. Okay, it is near to the class 4 classroom, or it is near to the standard 4 classroom. Understand? And next, opposite means just opposite. This side you, that side. Okay? So, if anybody asks you where is the dance room, then you can say it is opposite of the office. Like this. So, we will say about our school two things, where is the library and where is the dance room. So, first question, where is the library? Then what you will answer? It is near to the school office. It is near to the school office. Or you can say it is near to the school office. Okay? Or you can say it is near to the office. Both are correct. Understand? Then next question. Where is your dance room? Where is the dance room? You can say it is next to the lower nursery class. It is next to the lower nursery class. Okay? It is next to the lower nursery class. Understand? It is next to the lower nursery class. Okay? Understand what I have told? Where is your library? You will say it is near to the office. It is near to the office. And where is your dance room? You will say it is next to the lower nursery class. It is next to the lower nursery room or classroom. It is next to the lower nursery class or next to the lower nursery classroom. Both are correct. Understand? These two you have to learn. Next, turn the page. Here some questions there, given dialogues you have to learn. Like number A, where are the children? Okay. B, they are in the classroom. So if I ask you where are the children, then you will say they are in the classroom. Okay. Then next, where is their teacher? What you will say? He is in the library. What you will say? He is in the library. Okay, where are the children? They are in the classroom. Next question, where is their teacher? He is in the library. Next, where are the notebooks? Where are the notebooks? They are in the cupboard. What is the answer? They are in the cupboard. Okay. Next, where are the lunch boxes? Where are the lunch boxes? Then B will be, they are on the shelf. They are on the shelf. So you have to learn these dialogues. Okay. Again I am saying, where are the children? They are in the classroom. They are in the classroom. Where is their teacher? He is in the library. Okay. Then where are the notebooks? They are in the cupboard. They are in the cupboard. Where are the lunch boxes? They are on the shelf. They are on the shelf. Okay. Next, it is given a tongue twister. It is for your entertainment. Okay. You can play. Next, page number 71. Okay. What it is given? Some words. You have to repeat. You have to say. So, M-U-D mud, B-U-D bird, B-U-G bug, D-U-G duck. Then B-U-N bun, S-U-N sun, F-U-N fun, and N-U-N none. C-U pick up, P-U pick up, C-A pick cap, T-A pick tap, B-U-T butt, C-U-T cut, H-U-T hut, N-U-T nut. You learn these words. Okay. If I ask you to read, you have to read it. So learn it. Then again same thing. U-P up, you have to say the common sound. U-P up, U-N-C-L-E uncle, U-N-D-E-R under, and U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A umbrella. All started with U. U pronunciation A. Okay. U pronunciation A. Up, umbrella, uncle, under. Okay. So this is all about the pronunciation. Now come, you have to read the words which are rhyming each other, and those who are not rhyming each other, you have to what? Circle it. Like you see, D-U-C-K duck, B-U-D bud, M-U-D mud. B-U-D bud, M-U-D mud. But D-U-C-K not going with it. That means circle it. It is different. Okay. Then L-U-G lug, M-U-G mug, but S-T-U-C-K. L-U-G lug and M-U-G mug, but S-T-U-C-K, it's not going. You have to circle it. Then they are given R-U and run, B-U-G bug, S-U and sun. Okay. Run, bug, sun. Run, sun. But bug is different. So, circle it. Then again, C-U pick up, F-U and fun, P-U pip up. Okay. So, cup, pup. But fun is different. So, circle it. Then bus bus, but cut, cut. But bus bus is different. So circle it. Okay, by reading you can understand which words are rhyming. Okay, so go through it, students. What I have teach the words, and I have teach how to say the direction where the rooms are, and some question answer. So go through it and learn them. Today's teaching over, students. Thank you.